Having worked in the criminal justice industry for such a long time as a police officer and then as an educator, finally someone has got a degree which I'm so proud to be involved in, because it just is this wonderfully well-rounded degree that looks at all of the challenges and all of the rewarding facets of working in the criminal justice space. The reality is the workforce has changed and a good deal of our work is just online. That's the new world that we work in. Let's study in that world. The assessments mirror the job. So whatever it is that you would be expected to complete, a task, solving a problem, then we mirror that in the same way that you would find it in industry. What happens in the criminal justice space really affects people's lives. So you have to have the right people occupying those roles that make very difficult and challenging decisions.